Hello everyone, and today the topic of our lesson is means of communication. And you will be able to use past simple passive voice. Do you recognize the logo? Yes, it's a logo of TikTok, which is a popular social video sharing app. And do you know this man? Yes, you are also right. His name is Zhang Yiming and he is a TikTok's creator. Now look at the sentences. TikTok created Zhang Yiming and TikTok was created by Zhang Yiming. Think and answer two questions. Is the first sentence grammatically correct? Is the second sentence grammatically correct? Okay, the first sentence, TikTok created Zhang Yiming, as you see, is not grammatically correct because TikTok is not a person and it can't create anything. And the second sentence, TikTok was created by Zhang Yiming. This sentence is grammatically correct because it describes what was created. Now, choose the sentence which has the verb be in its past form and past participle. Yes, that's the sentence. TikTok was created by Zhang Yiming. You see, this sentence has was, which is the past form of the verb to be, and the verb created, which is past participle of the verb create. So, if we use past form of the verb to be and past participle, we get past simple passive voice. Now, look at the sentences. Telephone was invented by Bell, and telephone and telegraph were invented in the 19th century. They are both affirmative sentences. And in affirmative sentence, we use an object first, then was or were, it depends on an object, and we use past participle. Now, we can see some other sentences. Radio was not invented by Philo Farnsworth, and means of communication were not invented in the Republic of Kazakhstan. So, what do they have in common? Yes, they have particle not, so they are negative sentences. In a negative sentence, we use an object, was or were, particle not, and past participle. Now, let's discuss the sentences. Was cinema invented in 1895? Were any means of communication invented by American people? What kind of sentences are they? Yes, you are right, they are questions, because they begin with an auxiliary verb. So, in order to ask a question, we should use a WH question, then was a verb, then an object, past participle, and of course a question mark. Now it's time to practice. Make the sentences complete by matching two parts of a sentence. Pay attention to the prepositions. Now it's time to check. And these are the correct answers. Now, make the sentences complete using different forms of past simple passive. Check your answers. I hope your answers are correct. Now, say when the following things happened or didn't happen. For example, if you see 1895, not radio, you should say radio was not invented in 1895. So let's practice. And your home task will be: write down 5 sentences when different means of communication were invented. And you may even write about social networks if you want.